We will now explore how we can use the concept of pointers, memory locations, and dereferencing pointers, so going to the actual memory locations, in order to have access within a function to variables that are declared elsewhere and be able to change those variables from within the function. So let's suppose we'll have the user enter an integer and we want to multiply that by 2 via a function. So it's something very simple. So we need an integer, let's call it n, and let's have the user enter that integer. Please enter an integer. And then we need to scan that with a %d because it's an integer, ampersand n, so that allows the user to enter the value for n. And then we want to call this function, let's say it's called times 2, and we need to figure out what we're going to pass to that function. If we pass n to it, then that's just a copy of n that will be passed to this function. And we can do whatever we can try within the function. It won't change the value of n in the main function. And let's start there. Let's just do this for now. And then printf in the main function, the value of n is %d. And that's my n. So I want to see whether anything changed. Probably also print out what the user entered. So how about we print? We will now explore how we can use the concept of pointers, memory locations, and dereferencing pointers, so going to the actual memory locations, in order to have access within a function to variables that are declared elsewhere and be able to change those variables from within the function. So let's suppose we'll have the user enter an integer and we want to multiply that by 2 via a function. So it's something very simple. So we need an integer, let's call it n, and let's have the user enter that integer. Please enter an integer. And then we need to scan that with a %d because it's an integer, ampersand n, so that allows the user to enter the value for n.
Okay,
And then we want to call this function, let's say it's called times 2, and we need to figure out what we're going to pass to that function. If we pass n to it, then that's just a copy of n that will be passed to this function.
okay.
And we can do whatever we can try within the function. It won't change the value of n in the main function. And let's start there. Let's just do this for now. And then printf in the main function, the value of n is %d, and that's my n. So I want to see whether anything changed. Probably also print out what the user entered. So how about we print out here in main, you entered %d.
Okay.
There we go. And as you noticed, I put this in main into my printf statement so we know where the printing is happening. So next we need to write this function times 2. So what's its return type? What does it return? Well, we just want to multiply n by 2, so that's how about we have no return value, just a void return type. And for now, we're simply passing a number into it. And then we want to multiply that number by 2. So let's first print out the value we received. So in the function, the number is %d. And we print that out. Then we multiply number by 2, so num equals num times 2. And print out the new value in the function. The number is %d. Or how about we even say the new number? And that's about it. So that's my function. And all I now need is a prototype for this function. I put that at the top with a semicolon behind, and we don't need to have the variable name, but we could leave it there if we wanted to. Let's quickly compile this and run this step by step. Uh-oh. Please enter an integer. Oh, there's a colon instead of a semicolon. There we go. Let's run this. So n is declared. The user is asked to enter an integer. Let's put in our 42. And there we go. N changes to 42. We're printing out, you entered 42. And next, we're going into the function. So in the function, a new variable is declared named num. And num receives a copy of what's stored in n. So num also has the value 42, but num and n are two separate variables. In the function times 2, the function doesn't know of n. It only knows its own 42, which is stored in num. So a copy of n is made and stored in num. That's what happens when we call a function and pass an argument to it by value. So the function now prints out, in the function, the number is 42. We multiply that number by 2, so you can see num changes, but n didn't change. N did not get updated because num is a completely separate variable from n. And in the function, we print out the new number is 84. And the function terminates, so we return to the main program. And in the main program, the value of n is still 42. It has no idea that we multiplied anything by 2 in the function. So if we wanted to modify the value of n within this function times 2, we need to pass the address and similarly down here in the function definition, we need to have an address. Num needs to hold an address, and let's call it numptr so we don't get confused. Num, a pointer to a number. So numptr is an address of an integer. And so now that we're in the function integer, we pass the to this function. And so, of course, we need to then modify the function. This wouldn't work anymore now. First of all, our prototype, we are now passing an address. An address is something that's an integer with a star. That stores an address. So that's what we need. And then similarly down here in the function definition, we need to have an address. Num needs to hold an address, and let's call it numptr so we don't get confused. Num, a pointer to a number. So numptr is an address of an integer. And so now that we're in the function, the number is, in order to print out the number that is stored at this memory location, we need to dereference numptr. How do we dereference numptr? We put a star in front of it. So star numptr goes to the memory location stored in numptr and dereferences it, reads out what's stored in there, and interprets it as an integer. Also now, num doesn't exist anymore. We have a numptr. It wouldn't make sense to multiply the pointer by 2. The pointer stores an address. Rather, what we need to multiply by 2 is what's stored at that address. So we need to dereference the pointer and multiply that by 2. And then we can print out the new number, ptr. We should look at this. Times 2 is called 2 in the function n because we passed the address of n to the function. And then the function had access to that value of n by n. But even once we return to the main function, n has changed forever and ever. N now has this new value 84. So my function was able to change the value of n. Get confused. Number of it. First, an reference. No, we need to pass the address of n to this function. And so, of course, we I will now show you a second example of how we can use pointers to change values of variables inside functions. But I'm going to start without pointers, with an example that simply adds two integers. So I've written the function add that takes two integers as arguments and returns an integer. And all it does, it declares an additional variable z that holds the sum of x and y that are passed into the function. Then a little print statement, I added the numbers in the function just so we can keep track of what's going on. And it returns the value of z. And then in my main function, I declared two numbers a and b and a variable sum. Ask the user to enter those two integers. I read those with a scanf and store them in a and b using the &a and the &b within the scanf statement. And then I call the function add. And to the function add, I pass a and b, which are passed to add by value. So the copies are made of the values stored in a and b and pass an variable z that holds the sum of x and y that are passed into the function. Then a little print statement, I added the numbers in the function just so we can keep track of what's going on. And it returns the value of z. And then in my main function, I declared two numbers a and b and a variable sum. Ask the user to enter those two integers. I read those with a scanf and store them in a and b using the &a and the &b within the scanf statement. And then I call the function add. And to the function add, I pass a and b, which are passed to add by value. So the copies are made of the values stored in a and b and passed to the function add. And what the function add returns, I'm storing in my variable sum. And then I can print out the equation a plus b equals sum. And that's it. Let's quickly run this code step by step so I can tell you what's happening in memory. So first, a, b, and sum are declared. So there's room reserved in memory for the variables a, b, and sum of type integer. And then the user is asked to enter two integers. So let's do that. Let's say we wanted to add 3 and 5. And you say a gets the value 3, b gets the value 5, and next the function sum is called. So let's see what happens. Inside sum, new variables x and y show up. X has the same value that a had. So x holds a copy of a, namely that 3, and y is a copy of b, namely the 5. But the function add has no access to a and b itself. It only has access to x and y, which hold the values 3 and 5. Furthermore, a variable z is about to be declared. There it is. And z gets the value x plus y. So z has the sum 8 stored in it. And so now I'm just printing out added numbers in the function, and I'm returning this 8 to the calling function. In my function main, that 8 will be stored inside the variable sum because add returns the 8. That 8 is then stored in sum. Let's do that. And you see sum was updated with the value 8. The variables x, y, and z no longer exist because I'm back in the main function, but sum now has the value 8 so that I can print out my equation 3 plus 5 equals 8. I'm now going to show you how to modify this so that we simply call the function add without having to assign the return value of add to sum. Rather, we will pass instead the address of sum to the function add. So I'm going to call a function add, still need to pass to it a and b, but in addition, I'm going to pass to it the address of sum in order to simply have the function add put the correct sum directly into the variable sum because it knows the address of sum. So let's see how we can do that. Clearly, we need to modify the prototype of my function add. It no longer needs to return anything, so we can change this type to void. But we're now going to pass the address of sum to this function add. And so that's an address of an integer. And so I need to write an integer star there. That's an address of an integer. Similarly, I need to change the types down here. The return type of add is going to be a void. And then I still pass two integers, namely the numbers to be added, into the function add. But the third parameter is the address of an integer. So int star, and let's call that result pointer. So a pointer to where the result is to be stored. Let's still do our computation here. So we computed z as x plus y. We added the numbers, but now instead of returning z, somehow I need to update what's stored at result pointer. How do I do that? Well, I dereference results ptr. And what do I put in there? What number do I want to store at that memory location? I want to put by z there. This is the location where the original variable sum is stored. And I want to update sum with this value of z. And let's print out one more thing here. How about updated variable with, whoops, misspelled that, variable with pointer in function. All right. So let's run this step by step. First, a, b, and sum are declared. The user is asked to enter two integers, so again, 3 and 5. And now my function add is called. A has the value 3, B has the value 5, sum has no particular value. Codecast initialized it as a 0, but normally it would just have some kind of random value sitting in it. So now the function add is called. Once I enter add, my variables x and y again exist. X has a copy of A stored in it, y has a copy of B stored in it, and result pointer holds an address. The address is FFF4. FFF4 is the address of the variable sum. So if you look at sum, its address is FFF4. So result pointer holds the address of sum. Next, z is declared. So there's my z, and z gets the value x plus y, so an 8. So z is updated with an 8. So far, nothing new has happened. I'm printing out that I added the numbers, but the next step, I'm going to update what is stored at the address that's stored in result pointer. Again, what is it that's stored at that address? That's the variable sum. The variable sum is stored at the address FFF4. So in the next step, I'm dereferencing that address. So I'm going directly to the variable sum and replacing what's stored in sum with the value of z, which is my 8. So the next step, watch what happens to sum when I execute this next step. Sum was updated with 8. I'm reading the address stored in result pointer. I'm going to that memory location. I'm placing an 8 into that memory location. Finally, we're printing updated the variable with a pointer in the function. And now we're ready to print our equation back in the main function. We're back in the main function. All the variables that existed in add are gone. I no longer have access to them. But sum was updated from within the function so that I can print out the equation 3 plus 5 equals 8. So this was another example on how to modify a variable by passing its address to a function. Again, it's ideal if you start playing with this code. Take this code, change it, modify it, play around, see what happens, watch what happens in memory so that you can really familiarize yourself
So what does the pointer do? I don't understand. I think pointer stores memory. So pointer stores memory. That's all I know, man. Pointer stores memory. Pointer stores memory. Pointer stores pointer declarations. Feature. Star pointer name. Star example. Find the star b. Find the star b. None. Find star b. B equals to none. Find something. लिखने वाला है main और void main यार int main void why I correct int nom p and int nom p equals to n p equals to int No, what the fuck is this code, yeah? Don't know how to write one single code, right? Wait. Yes, I know what to do. Address of D pointed by P is what is this, bro? How do I do that? I don't even know. Should it go like this?
Gobre.
Clearly, There's the 4 people watching. There's 3 people watching this stream. Lo. Eu cara da time na mata puiega. Ba long में जा. हाँ तो पुइएगा जा. चल जाता.
Ăn rau thơm hả gì đó? Rau thơm gì hả đó?
No no. Scrub is no.
Mấy con xem video các bạn. Nhiều cũng mua đâu đâu. Nhé.
Kas basic things to do. Proti chati me.
Còn ra trước anh nói là từ bên tiền. Nó số này thì
Hello everyone and welcome to the first course of the Programming in C.
Let's go, man. Let's start. Find special characters on the keyboard. Oh, I know this. I'm just revising, I know this. What is. Okay. Activity, find special. Activity, find special keyboards. Okay. Activity, waiting for the activity. It's loading. Let's see. Type closing round brackets. Nice. Round bracket. Type an opening brace. Curly bracket. Type a closing bracket followed by opening brace. Square bracket, not to confuse them with angular brackets. No space. Type a closing bracket followed by an angular opening bracket. What? This and this. Type a plus sign followed by a minus sign. Bro, what? Type of minus plus sign followed by minus sign. Then a times sign. Then a times into sign. Multiple is this. Multiple sign. Then a division sign. Then a division sign. Then a division is this, right? Division sign. Oh god, this is a division, right? Division sign. And finally a modulus operator sign. Modulus is a straight line, right? Straight line. Type a slash forward. Type a slash forward and a slash and a backslash. Slash forward slash and a backslash. No space. Do you know how to write vertical bar? Yes. Submit. 50% what? Bro, I don't understand English or what. When type a closing bracket round bracket. Ambo, प्रवेश भाइ के छ यार, हामी त टाइम पास हान्दैछु म चाहिँ। के छ खबर यार प्रवेश पोखरेल, रियल प्रवेश पोखरेल हो कि को हो? यो रङ भयो यार, हावा बनाए इंग्लिश क्या हुँदैन क्या हो? स्टार्ट फ्रम स्क्रैच। ब्रो रियल प्रवेश पोखरेल, लाइक प्रवेश पोखरेल। मेरो पनि ठिकै हो यार, अहिलेसम्म त यार ठिकै छ। खेर हरायो त यार तिमी त, मान्छेले गयो युरेका ए या रियलले रहेछ यार, मान्छे हरायो त हो तिमी, कहाँ हो? टाइप अफ क्लोजिङ प्याराथेसिस भने के हो क्या यो यार? गुगलमा खोज्नु पर्यो यार। क्लोजिङ प्यारान्थेसिस यार, इङ्ग्लिस आउँदैन आफ्नो। क्लोजिङ प्यारान्थेसिस How do you use closing parenthesis? ये त गरिरहेको छु त मैले, के भएको यिनीहरू? Round bracket, curly bracket, square right, opening part, type of closing parenthesis, round bracket followed by an opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis and no space, bro, के हुँदैछ रे? अब पूर्वाञ्चलमा ब्रो क्रेजी भाइ, मेरो त यही धराइमै हो यार। त्यही त्यो मको अरे वीरेन्द्रमा छ यार मेरो त। के पढ्दैछ यार पूर्वाञ्चलमा? के पढ्दै के हो? म त यार कम्प्युटर साइन्स लिएको छु ब्रो। यो कम्प्युटर साइन्स लिएर पनि केही आउँदैन। प्रोबी क्लोजिङ प्यारेन्थेसिस, राउन्ड ब्राकेट फलोड बाइ ओपनिङ प्यारेन्थेसिस। ओपनिङ ब्राकेट के हो नि यो? नेक्स्ट यार म फेल हुन्छ यार यसमा त इङ्ग्लिसै बुझ्दैन यार नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो भाइ हिस्ट्रीको पर्छ यार हिस्ट्री अफ हेलो वर्ल्ड यहाँ पनि सकाएको छु कि पहिला नै तर but I am doing it again किनकि मैले बिर्सेँ मजाले बिर्सि I'm sure modify output of hello world मा के by world लेखिदिन्छु म loading I'm sure it's another dimension. It's like please like, share and subscribe. So you will write your first program. Your goal is to write a variant of hello world. Make sure how to do it. Instead of you should play this, okay? Like copy, Control C. Hashtag INT main सुरुमा like I started doing INT के हुन्छ सुरुमा यार मैले बिर्सेँ include stdio sorry include stdio hashtag include stdio hashtag include stdio.h INT main something like that INT main bracket अनि see what INT what printf maybe printf and यसपछि के हुन्छ न then we have write this right printf paste let's do this and return zero Yoda elevating answers no expected identifier यति पनि लेख्न आउँदैन मलाई यहाँ रेन्ट पाउँछ can open this browser and then you can how the text modified but this is achieve until INT main maybe it's from here separate answer 0. Let's go. We should be right. Oh no. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pass the test, let's go. No. Let's go, let's go. What's up, classic Subham? Classic Subham. Like the stream. Like the stream, classic Subham bhai. How are you, classic Subham, what's up?
I would like to introduce a hard disk to store.
Okay. Gee, Bayuki, what is this? I know this. What is hardware and software? Yeah. Easy, man. Like I've already done this course, but I want to revise. I didn't know. Like I forgot. When I jumped into the memory and pointers lesson, and I didn't know anything here. I didn't even know how to write hello world. So I have to came back here. Yeah. Where I started. Which of the following are hardware element? Processor, screen, mousepad. Windows is not right. Which of the following are software elements? Windows is software, Linux software. Yeah. What is an algorithm? A sequence of instruction. Type of CV, arithmetic game. I think it's Dennis Ritchie. Let's go. 100%, 50%. Law. Wrong cover. Where is wrong happen? Mousepad, right? Na? Mousepad. Oh, mousepad is not a hardware, na? Key काम ही करें mousepad. और क्या wrong था? और क्या है? Tell us about our experience in C programming. I am a best experienced player. Okay, thank you. Technical. Let's go. Let's do the thing, yeah. I mean, suck up, no. Like you is the lava. Let's go. Please complete this short activity. Yeah. Oh, you wouldn't go to you. Oh, I did it before also now. Why am I doing it? show, you tell me, show. You say you're smart, let's go. ठ्याक्क तिमीले म्यासेज गरेको ठ्याक्क च्याट पनि हेरेको या किस्सा यो राम्रो लड्यो या कति पढौँ भनेर टाइम वेस्ट भयो त मैले गरेको क्या यो कोर्स गरिसकेको मैले लाइक मलाई फेरि गर्नु क्या रिभिजनको लागि चार बजे आउँछु 4 बजे आउँछु म आज 2 घन्टा गरेँ मेरो स्ट्रिम यहाँ साल भरमा त मैले कम्प्लिट गरिसकेको कि तर मैले सिधै अब च्याप्टर 3 मा गएँ कि म अनि त्यसलाई च्याप्टर 3 त हैन लाइक के भन्छ अब लाइक थर्ड कोर्समा गएँ थर्ड कोर्समा त फेरि पोइन्टर्सहरू के थियो लाइक मैले सब बिर्सिएँ के हो लाइक आई डोन्ट नो व्हाट इज गोइङ अन लाइक पोइन्टर्स लाइक anti-main void ब्रङ खानेको होइन कलेज सुरु नै भएको छैन मैले फोन गरेको नआउँदा हुन्छ भने अनि नआउँदा हुन्छ तिमी कम्प्युटर आउँछ भने नआऊ अरे कम्प्युटर के नि सिकाउँछ अरे क्या कसरी खोल्ने बन्द गर्ने अरे म त लाइक वाट खोल्ने बन्द गर्ने त्यस्तो त के जान्नु क्या खोल्ने त्यो हुन्छ नि बायोलोजी लिएको हुन्छ कसैले कसकोमा पढाएको हुँदैन कम्प्युटर तिनीहरूलाई सिकाउने रहेछ क्या गएर पनि केही फाइदा नै रहेछ अब सिधै कार्तिक 27 मा आउँदा हुन्छ अरे क्लासमा लाग्छ अरे अब कार्तिक 27 सम्म त केही त गर्नु पर्यो नि त यार Let's do this. English पनि बोल्नुपर्छ यार नभए को अमेरिकन आउँछ च्याटमा So guys, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, please guys. For 1 million, we are very close. What happened here? Something sauce happened to the screen. What? Something sauce happened here, man. I already how to like what? Fix error. I think fix error. Yeah, it has fix error. I think. Yes, so I know. Let's go. Submitting answers. Recorrection to replace to dash replace. मतलब print copy आएगा तो like copied like what? Line replace. Oh, it's so this. So you line is छैन अगाडि bro. What? So के भन्छ यार अब exactly जे छ त्यही गरेको. सी त्यही यस्तै फर्स्ट सेमेस्टरमा चाहिँ सी पढाउँछ जस्तो छ बुक दिइरहेछ क्या एउटा सी प्रोग्राम होला खै मैले हेरेको छुइनँ तर इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो यार यो सी पढ्नु त यार के भनेको क्या यिनीहरूले अघिदेखि म फेरि चक्लेटमा यो राख्छु फेरि यो मान्दैन सी भनेको बेसिक भने यसले सुरुमा बेसिक पढ्ने अरे लाइक मोस्ट सबैजनाले त्यही भन्छ सी भनेको सुरुमा लाइक खतरै पढ्ने सी र सी प्लस प्लस अनि सी प्लस आएपछि जाभाहरूमा आउँछ पढ्दा हुन्छ अरे जस्तै मतलब यो बिआरवाला कुरा हो क्या हो त्यो बिआर मतलब हुन्छ नि स्पेस हुन्छ नि एउटा वाट इज दिस म्यान इज इट लाइक बिआर रिमेम्बर द न्यू ओके स्ल्यास एन कहाँ स्ल्यास एन यहाँ हान्ने ए होइन भित्र हान्ने मैले अब याद आयो That's what I'm saying, man. Like, you know, I don't understand what is going on most of the time. Like, I didn't even know that I have to do this in order to have a space between lines. You have to write slash n. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. Yeah, I should not have done that, but still, come on. Come on. Okay, now it doesn't need this again. Now it's going to be right. Now it's going to be very good and right. Oh, what? Our expected answer was त्यही त गरिरहेको छु त हो मैले अघि भर्खर बित्तिकै राख्छु कस्तो के दियो मान्छे त के हुँदैछ कम्प्युटर हावा हो क्या यो मैले राखिरहेको छु त यहाँ I have dash here, you know. Like, look, I have dash here. I give space. Dash here, give space. So now, if I submit answer, this should be the right. Yes, thank God, bhai. No, bhai, no. Speed run, anya. You course speed run. Let's go, bhai. Let's speed run this course. Speedrun this course, you know how it is. Print multiple lines with one printf. Okay, so we have to add a slash n between two multiple lines in order to have a gap between them. Okay, I understood the assignment. Let's go. Today I will finish this and I will end the stream. Do you know how to that your focus challenge? Okay, I have to make this now. printf हाम्रो त C को कुरा गरेको छैन अहिलेसम्म लाइक तिमीहरूको चाहिँ लाइक आई गेस सिधै पढाइन्छ हौ कुनै त्यो सी त चाहिँदैन नि त मार्केटमा आई थिङ्क चाहिन्छ मार्केटमा सीको के काम छ मार्केटमा आई गेस सी भनेको त सिर्फ फन्डामेन्टल्सको लागि मात्रै हो सायद त्यसले सिकाउँदैन पनि होला तिमीहरू त सिधै जाभा के सिकाइदिन्छ होला लाइक जब ओरिएन्टेड बनाउनको लागि त सस भाइ होला तिमीहरूलाई सिधै लाइक जावा पाइथनहरू सिकाइदिन्छ होला साप नागिन साप सबै HTML CSS खै प्रोजेक्ट के छ यार प्रोजेक्ट के बनायो पठाऊ लिङ्क पठाऊ है अब म पनि हेर्नु मलाई आएको प्रोजेक्ट चाहिँ के बनायो म पनि आउँछ नि अलिअलि आउँछ जावा र CSS जावा आउँदैन मलाई HTML र CSS चाहिँ अलिअलि आउँछ मलाई जावा चाहिँ के हो यो त्यसरी जावा पढ्नको लागि त मैले यो सिक्दैछु यार अलिकति यो सिक्यो भने जावा सिक्न सजिलो हुन्छ अरे उपर सजिलो हुन्छ अरे सुने मैले अलरेडी इजी भाई इजी चलते भाई इजी बोलते भाई इजी प्रोसेस सो तिमीहरूको पनि पढाइ सुरु त भएको छैन होला नि त होइन सुरु त कहाँ हुन्छ अहिले होइन तिमीहरूको पनि कार्तिकमा होला तिमी पनि नजाँदा हुन्छ उसको घरमा बसेर पनि फिग्माबाट वेबसाइट डिजाइन गरेको थियो हो फिग्मा सोधेको होइन फिग्मा 100% लेट्स गो भाइ तिमी पनि घरमा बस्छ यार बिहान भ्यालोरेट खेल्नुपर्छ बिहान 6 बजेतिर ल पढाइ त भएको छैन होला नि त हौ इमेल लेखिरहेको डेली इमेल लेख एउटा च्याट जिपिटीलाई भएर अनि इमेल लेख हाउ टु इमेल अफ एब्सेन्टिज राइट नेम सुलभ श्रेष्ठ भनिदिएर सक्यो प्रिन्ट कोटेसन मार्क स्केप्स के भनेको यो आउटपुट के आउँछ आई फन विथ द वर्ल्ड स्ल्यास लाग्नु पर्दो रहेछ एउटा एक्स्ट्रा ओके slash okay I have to put two slash between in order to see the double quotation mark सब्जेक्टहरुको रिपोर्ट र प्रेजेन्टेसन बनाउनु भन्ने छ क्रेजी यार तिमीहरु त पहिला आउँछ सुनेको थिएँ मैले छिटो जान्छ रिपोर्ट्स हाम्रो ट्युब परेको छ ट्युबको के हो त्यस्तै हालत स्लोली बट स्लोली भन्दै लाग्छ होला अलिकति ओके सो बुझिसक्यो मैले के गर्नुपर्छ पढाइ त दसैँपछि मात्र हो अन्त यार त्यही त भनेको सबैको त्यही हो क्या होल नेपाली हो कि यिनीहरू सिर्फ बाठे भएर के अरे मेलमिलाप गर्नु खोजेको होइन साथीहरू भेटोस् मिलोस् भनेर यो त यार कोही छैन त जानु पनि झ्याउ वा को खाते आयो भनेर भगाइदिन्छ नि मलाई Let's go, man. फ्राइडेसम्म नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे भनेको त टाइम छ त हौ बट नेक्स्ट फ्राइडेसम्म त दिस फ्राइडे त अब बनाऊ दिनु पनि त्यसो भाइ काम करो भाई, काम करो, काम। के गर्नु भाइ त्यो ट्युसडेदेखि छुट्टी, लेट्स गो भाइ। ट्युसडेदेखि छुट्टी, ए चिल छ त्यसो भए त। दसैँ कहाँ आएको पनि छैन। ट्युसडे भनेको यो ट्युसडे भनेको दसैँ आएर घरको स्थापना है, दसैँ आएको पनि छैन। तिमीलाई छिटो छुट्टी दिएछ। मौज छ मौज भाइ। ट्युसडेदेखि ऱ्याङ्क पुस पुरा लाइभ स्ट्रिमै हान्दैन अनि भ्यालोरेन्ट लाइभ स्ट्रिम ऱ्याङ्क पुस भन्दै। यो यस्तो होला सायद मलाई लागिरहेको छ। अनि यहाँ फेरि ड्यास एन्ड चाहियो होला यार, के हो यो? त्यस्तै हो नि। What is this, mate? Is this the right answer? ना मलाई लागिरहेको थियो किनकि यार टल्केन नि त यहाँ। र चाहिँ गाह्रो भएछ। डेनिस रिची आई थिङ्क म बरु 2टा लाइन बनाउँछु, सजिलो हुन्छ। आई सुड मेक like 2 Dennis Ritchie, one line for Dennis Ritchie and one line for The Only Way, something like copy. The one line, let's go, one line for this, and next line print f, let's go this print f. The only way to learn is learning by writing program on it. Yes, that's true, man, that's true, that's 100% true. You should write programs on it in order to be good at it. And this should be the code, right? This should be the a new programming language is a barrier to something wrong about to happen. Let's go. INT main void लेखिन न सायद। I think void, I just wrote INT main. Submit answer. Main void a suspicious statement without fuck यार क्यों Okay, की छ I don't know how to do this. I have to seek some help here. Wait, what? Compile what? Have fun with this course. Have fun with this course. Okay. So now we have to return this. Okay, there is no quotation mark here. This. Okay. So what did I do wrong here? I understand. There seems to be a very bad mistake. I think I should have used this and right. I should have used this and instead of that then. So in order to have this, no fuck. Did I? What? Still wrong. Maybe there is something wrong here. Okay. Now I think I did something wrong with brackets here. Have fun with this. Okay, right? There is this quotation. There is. And we have to use this. I'm using wrong slash wrong. It should be backward slash maybe. It should be backward slash and it should be outside here. No? Oops. Oopsie. Is this right? Wait. Is this right? This should be outside. and this should be inside. This should be inside. No, fuck no. Okay, this one inside, one outside. Okay, 50%. What? Your power operators, you can improve your power to get better scores. You use 2 prints, so you should only use 1. Okay, my bad. Okay, I'll copy this whole now in order to make it easier for me to translate. Now I will delete this, and now I will do this. Okay, so now after I get this, now submit answer. Now I should get 100% now. Yes, it is 100%. Let's go. Finally, we did it. Let's go. Next question. Let's go. Let's repeat one instruction with the for loop. Okay, now it comes. This is a very. It becomes difficult after one another. It's like a game, but. int I equals to 100, int I equals for equals to I 0. Okay, that is for loop, and I is greater than 5, I plus plus. So that means 1 2 3 4 5. That means it will show 5 times hello world. That's it. Okay, for loop. Now if for because I is 9, that means it will show 9 times. Should show 9 times, right? Sati page likhna, bro. Sati page, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? Sati page. No, that's fake. That's cap, man. 30 page को लिखो एक जरा ले लो. की प्रोजेक्टर इससे 60 पेज का बुक निकाल आटे क्या बुक निकाले ब्रो. राइटर उनाटे सर यूज फॉर राइटर उनाटे ब्रो. लाइक हानेर जाऊ यार. लाइक चाहिँ हानेर जाऊ कि लाइक किनकि अलिकति हुन्छ नि सपोर्टिङ गाइस. सपोर्ट आएको सिज फर्म. ओके, 3चोटि प्रिन्ट गर्नु अरे. प्रिन्ट गर्नु अरे. यहाँ भ्यालोरेन्ट कहिले खेल्ने यार त्यसो भए. stdio.h 90 void. भ्यालोरेन्टको लागि पनि अलिक टाइम छुटाउनु पर्यो नि त. भ्यालोरेन्टको लागि मेरो फिनिक्स मेन गरेको मान्छे int. Okay, let's do int main void. Now what should we do? We should print. We should use for loop. For I equals to 0. I is greater than 3. I is less than 3. And exclamation. I is plus. I'm sure we taller in other dimension. We say we small but in other dimension. Tired of moving on, saving. Okay, places to go. Repeat one instruction with for loop. Okay. We can do that. But okay, this is int I. We have to declare int I equals to 0 first. Integer is 0, and now if we have to work 9 times. Delete this, and then after wait. So this is okay. We have to put this first. We have to put this here. We have to put this down here. But after this also we have to put something like this here, and print f is fun. Yes, 3 times, right? Now we have to write return 0 at here. Return 0. Submit answer. Let's go. We're gonna submit answer. Okay. Submit answer. Validating people. This should be validating people. People. Did I do something wrong? INT by INT poet. I didn't do nothing. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know what it is. Okay, this should be great. I is less than 3. I is less than 3. I is less than 3. Less than 3. Okay. I thought I is greater than 3. That's okay. Your expected dash before this token. Oh, is it that? Oh, my bad. Let's go. We're gonna do this. Submit answer. Validate submitting. Should be done. Yes, let's go. Should be done. Another dimension. We say it's not another dimension. Okay, repeat a block of instruction with a for loop. Repeat a block of instruction with for loop. Instruction with for loop. What is this? Instruction with the for loop. So we have blah 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 blah. Blah 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 is going to be right 3 times, and we'll print up answer 6 times. Blow. What did it do this? Maybe this and this. Should another dimension. Oh, what is this, man? Why did he do printf/n? That's a problem. I don't know why, but he did it. Something fishy going on. So I is less than 6. I plus plus. And blah blah. Okay, so I 3 blah blah blah. What is the result of blah 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 blah? It will be blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. But he did that. So /n. Oh, /n means this is going to be different. Okay, this will not clash with this line. Okay, maybe that's what it is. So blah blah will be 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3. Let's go. That was the thing. Use multiple for loops. I have to use 2 for loops. That's easy. Let's go. 2 for loops. C is fun. We can do anything. Okay, got it. And the gaming chatter. Hashtag include stdio.h admin. Let's go admin. Okay, maybe I could add void admin void / this. Oh no. I is less than 3, maybe I is less than 3. Okay, I is less than 3 with I plus plus and okay, then what the answer should be? C is fun, right? We have to write print f C is fun. We wrote C is fun. There goes C is fun. We're going to write 3 times with an. Oh yeah, bro, what's up? C2K gaming. It's okay. कस्तो थाहा छ यार तिम्रो नेपाली भनेर एकदम अमेरिकन एक्सेन्ट बनाउँदैछ यार यस्तो बेला यार आइएल्ट्स पढ्नु पर्यो यार अब टेन्सन भयो यार मलाई छ्या यस्तो फेक एक्सेन्ट लाग्छ यार तिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ ओके प्रिन्ट फ्यान हान्दै हो अनि त्यसपछि स्पेस छोड्यो होइन 3 चोटि लेख्यो maybe अब चाहिँ गर्ने हो यार फेरि फर लुप चलाउने होइन फर लुप यार लाइक हान्दै यार लाइक सेयर सब्सक्राइब हान्दै यार मैले चाहिँ अहिले सी प्रोग्रामिङ सिकौँ भनेको क्या सी प्रोग्रामिङ मैले पहिला पनि सिकेको थिएँ कि मैले सबै बिर्सेँ क्या यस्तो हुँदैछ क्या लाइक 1-2 महिना छोड्यो कि सबै बिर्सेँ क्या मैले केही अब अहिले फेरि म रिभाइज हान्दैछु क्या मैले पहिला पनि पढेको थिएँ क्या यो सी प्रोग्रामिङको फेरि रिभाइज हान्नु पऱ्यो यार बरु गिरी भयो नि सिधै त्यो पोइन्टर्सहरू पढ्नु खोजेको बा केही नआएको क्या के हो उङ्गा बुङ्गा भइदिइरहेको छु फर लुप फर आई कस्ट फेरि सी प्रोग्रामिङको स्पिड रन हाल्दैछ क्या आज म एउटा यो कोर्स सघाउँछु भोलि अब सेकेन्ड कोर्स सघाउँछु त्यसपछि चाहिँ लास्टमा फेरि अब माउस पोइन्टर्सहरू सिक्नु पर्छ क्या मेन भनेको पोइन्टर्स सिक्ने मन लागिरहेको थियो क्या मलाई तिमीहरू त अलिअलि आउँछ क्या गरेको पनि थिएँ मैले पहिला नै ब्याचलर्स अर +2 बिच्चको हुँदैन बिच्चको हो क्या म चाहिँ ब्याचलर र +2 को बिचमा के हुन्छ बेरोजगारी मतलब म भर्खर छिर्नु आँटेको ब्याचलर्स भनौँ नि कपी हानौँ होइन ब्याचलर्सै भनौँ गाइज ब्याचलर्स अहिलेको लागि त भर्खरको ब्याचलर फर्स्ट इयर भनौँ नि आई इज लेस देन हानौँ क्या लेस देन कतिवटा छ यहाँ वाट इज दिस लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 इट्स 5 या ब्रो C2K गेमिङ हो यार CSIT नै हो नेपालमा त त्यही हो विदेश जाउँ भनेको पैसा छैन 1 2 3 4 5 ओके लेट्स डू 5 गाइज लाइक हानौँ यार मेहनत कर रहा है भाई लड़का मेहनत कर रहा है गाइज लाइक करो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दो भाई युट्युबदेखि पनि पैसा होला कि भन्ने आशा पैसा कमाएको छैन क्या मैले युट्युबदेखि कहिले चाहिँ हेर्नु मलाई हेर्छ कस्तो पैसा आउँछ कुन कलेजमा यार सब भनिदिउँ क्या कति प्राइभेसी पनि हुन्छ नि यार होइन प्राइभेट भन्नु प्राइभेट हो क्या अलिकति प्राइभेट कलेज भनौँ नि अलिकति नाम निस्केन यार मलाई म त अल्छी लाग्यो क्या ऱ्याङ्क बाफ्रे 12 सकायो पढ्यो 12 सक्यो अन्त फेरि पढ अरे इन्ट्रान्सको लागि बाफ्रे म त हक्क लाग्यो मलाई छोडिदिएँ अरे इन्ट्रान्सको लागि यत्तिकै नपढिकन गएको हावा ऱ्याङ्क आइरहेछ लास्टमा गोबर कलेज त नभनौँ ठिकै हो अब पुरानै कलेज हो गोबर न तर हुन्छ नि गभर्मेन्ट कलेज चाहिँ होइन एफिलिएटेड भनौँ एफिलिएटेड कलेज चाहिँ एफिलिएट पनि राम्रै हुन्छ भने सुनेको थिएँ पढ्दैको नि अब लास्टमा अब केटिएम बाहिर हो यार, भित्र त कसरी पाउनु हो? ऱ्याङ्क ब्रो, ऱ्याङ्क मेरो साँच्ची भन्दाखेरि 3000 प्लस थियो, छ हौ। के भन्छ यार केटो, केटिएम भित्र त भएको आए मौज हुन्थ्यो नि यार। ल सबमिट हाने क्या मैले। छैन हौ म बाहिरको यार, काठमाडौँमा कहाँ हो यार, काठमाडौँमा पढ्ने सपना नै भयो क्या। ए यहाँ फेरि एन लाग्नै बिर्सेँ मैले। बुटबल होइन हौ, म काठमाडौँको एरियाबाट होइन, कुनै हुन्छ नि त्यो बुटबल पाटन आएम म भनेको पूर्वबाट हो क्या, पूर्व 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 What's up, Brainwave Journals? Welcome to the stream again, yeah. Welcome. The studying is good, yeah. I am back on the basic, yeah. I have to learn how to use loop, yeah. I'm learning how to use loop. I don't know how to use. I didn't know how to, use loop, yeah. के आउँदैन यार मलाई, म पागल भइसकेँ। यति पनि I don't even how to use loop, yeah. छि भाइ। Thank you man, thank you for. तिमी चाहिँ कहाँबाट हो यार? C2K गेमिङ कि तिमी पनि ब्याचलर्स नै हो कि पढ्दै गरेको हो कि के हो यार? तिमी पनि भन यार केही। म मात्रै आफ्नो पोल खोला हान्दिनँ, तिमी पनि पोल खोला हान न यार। के रङ, वाट इज रङ हियर म्यान? प्रिन्ट एप कुन एप्लिकेसन युज गरेको? सो दिस इज नट अ एप्लिकेसन यार, दिस इज नट अ एप्लिकेसन ब्रो, दिस इज लाइक वेबसाइट यार। इट्स लाइक फ्री यार, फ्री कोर्सहरू छ क्या केटा, फ्री कोर्स छ। सेम यार, C2K गेमिङ सब्सक्राइब हान्ने यार, हामी सँगै पढ्नुपर्छ यार। जर्नी यार, अब जर्नी फर CSIT भन्दै अब भिडियो त हाल्दैन तर पनि लाइभ स्ट्रिममा चाहिँ पढ्नुपर्छ यार। अब डह्रो हान्नुपर्छ यार अरे क्या, अब त गाडीतिर जानु पऱ्यो नि। अब सब्सक्राइब भनेको कुन वेब हो? वेब यस्तो हो क्या, सुन म भन्छु तिमीलाई। आइएम सेइङ वाट आइम सेइङ, दिस इज द फ्री loops are easy but for everything inside do while same as well and while inside outside. Okay, no, I knew before but I don't know anything now. So this thank you for saying, yeah, Brainwave Journals, thank you. But do while print one output. Okay, so loop prints many output, right? For so I'm saying this is a website, learningedx.org, or you can write, MOOC, right? Type MOOC in the web page, C2K Gaming, and you can find free course website, and you can enroll in that website and learn different things. Yeah, you can learn front end, back end, anything. Even you can learn English. विदेश जानु छ भने इङ्ग्लिस पनि पढ्दा हुन्छ, त्यो वेबसाइट जाऊ होइन। लाइक फ्री हो क्या, फ्री हो, तिमीहरूको इजी हो क्या, हाम्रो लागि पैसा पनि तिर्नु पर्दैन। इट इज लाइक वेबसाइट त मेरो नाम चाहिँ माइक्रोसफ्ट एज हो यार। यो माइक्रोसफ्ट एज चलाएको छु होइन, एन्ड क्रोम चलाउँदिनँ किनकि ओपर खान्छ अरे, त्यो हुन्छ नि त। माइक्रोसफ्ट एज थियो अलरेडी, थियो यहाँ बिल्डिङ, सो त्यो चलाएको छु। आई डोन्ट नो इफ इट्स गुड अर ब्याड बट नाउ आई डोन्ट नो। वेट यार, वाट इज रङ यार? ब्रेनवेभ जर्नल यार, वाट इज रङ यार? क्यान यू प्लिज टेल यार? आई डोन्ट नो वाट इज रङ यार यार। I think I'm reading the chat when talking, that's why. Can anybody help here in the chat? What is wrong here, man? Bro, please यार, write to us यार। Something is wrong here, but I don't know what is wrong here. Something is wrong and I don't know what. यार बोलेर होला क्या, like I'm reading chat and I think my half of the focus is also in my chat, so I think that's why also maybe I'm not so focused here. C is fun. It should print 3 times, and let me just put it in, my copy. Let me copy this and put it in podcast. Remove void from main function. Really? Is it that's the problem? Okay, let me try. Okay, let me try. Let's see. Let's see. No, yeah, something sauce is going on here. I don't know what sauce is going. I should wait. I will use this function of this website, Codecast Sandbox. It will just compile it. It will not show like what is it is wrong. Let me just put this and compile. So it says, oh no, this this is the problem. I have found it. My bad. I think I have not. There is this. Yeah, this is the problem. Okay, look. I think this is the problem. See, this is the problem, man. This was the problem. This small problem, yeah. In this coding thing, this small problem will just, yeah, make everything look bad. One small wrong quotation and everything just looks bad. Gee, bhai. What is the like brainwave journal? Yeah, you know about C program, na? I have a curious question. Like you said, remove the void. Like what is the function of the void? But yeah, semicolon is enemy in C. Yeah, we have to always remember semicolon. I'm saying what is the function of void? Maybe I should search, but I think you can also say me. What is the function of the void? Why should we write void, or when should we not write void? If let's see. Void is the return type of function. Okay, return type of function. But like when should we not write? Like what if I don't write here void? Like what is the function of what is return type function? That is like necessary to write. Let me just Google void. I think void in C function. Let me just Google void in function C. We use it to indicate that the function does not return value. It means no type, no value, or no parameters depending on the concept. What does that mean? That means example. What is the example? Non-value returning, it says, such as int, double float, void string, etc. Their return type is int. Okay. Okay. I think I'm understanding. It's like that. Okay, it's like that. It's a group of thing, like double float, void string. Okay. I'm trying to speed run this here. I've already taken this all courses, but I had to revise it because I didn't knew anything in the pointer courses, so I have to just do this fast. So if you write void and function name, you have to return the same value. Before function name, you have to return the same value. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm getting it. अब एडमिशन होने बैच हो रहा. Yes bro, yes brother, we are in the same boat. We are in the same boat of the river. एउटा खोलाको एउटै के भन्छ बोटलाई नेपालीमा के भन्छ नाउको एउटा यात्री हो हामी. पोएटिक हान्दै मैले पोएटिक. हामी एउटै खोलाको होइन एउटै नाउको यात्री हो. यस, वी आर द सेम. म के गर्न आएको थिएँ यार. Discover the effect of simple looping error. Wait, let me just rewind this fast. In main function, you are returning with return 0. Okay. Oh, yeah, we have to write return 0 in order to return this, right? Okay. That's the thing. That's the thing. Return 0. Let me just fast forward this, okay? Let me just see. I know everything. I've done this, but I will just see what this is about. Discover the effect of simple looping error. Simple looping error. So what is the error? Error unexpected. This is the code, and there is error here. Is there error? Whether it's error. Oh shit. Okay, so this is easy. I have to just find the error in the code. Let me see. My code is already in error. If you remove return s or t, you will get error. Okay, should I try? Like, if I remove return 0, I will just write return. I think maybe this is like, this is the code, right? Okay, return 0. I think I will just delete the return, you know. There's no return, just nothing here. Oh, it is working, but bro, it is working. Brainwave journals. I didn't write return, it's just working. Okay, wait. Does it work? Look, it works. It works. Why? That's now it's I think void. I didn't mean void. Okay, now I'm confused. Okay, I was understanding little bit. Now I'm confused. अहिलेबाट पढ्न लागेको ब्रो के गरौँ त यार छैन काम केही ब्रो there is nothing to do यार दिन पनि पढ यार यही केही छैन यार 10 कार्तिकमा लाग्छ अरे होइन कार्तिकमा लाग्छ तिमी चाहिँ कहाँदेखि हो यार काठमाडौँदेखि हो तिमी पनि यतिमै पढ्ने होइन तिमी चाहिँ म चाहिँ काठमाडौँ होइन ब्रो तर सित हामीले पढेको त हो यार 11-12 महिना सिधा आइहाल्छ हामीलाई The use of basic type char sorting for double can be sorted and limited from the C language tool. Okay. Is there nothing here? Okay. Let me just. Okay, I will search it. Okay, I will search after this stream here. Okay, it's a void ko kuragani. I will see what this void is all about. But right now I will just do this fast. Yeah, I have to like 2 घण्टा stream on यार. गेम पनि खेल्नु छ यार गेम पनि खेल्नुपर्छ C2K गेमिङ कहिलेकाहीँ तिमी के गेमिङ गर्छौ क्या C2K मा के गेम खेल्छ यार C2K खेलौँ नि यार हामी पनि फ्रेन्ड के हो यो फेरि के रङ छ आई हेभ टु अस्योर सिम्पल एरर्स विथ मिसिङ प्रेसेस समथिङ इज मिसिङ लेट मी चेक फ्रम हियर प्रिन्ट F plus what is the okay the desired output is this Okay, now I'm confused, but I will try. Let me try. I think, oh, there's no bracket here. First problem, there's a bracket here. Bio ho mo. Bio, bro. Bio kina leko yaar. Bio के त्यो एक्जाम दियो तिमीले के अरे CE डक्टर बन्ने एक्जाम दिएर आएको हो कि के हो लाइक हुन्छ नि त्यो CE एक्जाम भन्छ नि त्यो एक्जाम दिएर आएको हो कि पढ्ने भनेर आएको कम्प्युटर कम्प्युटर पढ्ने भनेर आएको कि एक्जाम दिएर आएको थियो यहाँ मिस्टेक होला सायद मैले एक के सान्दै चाहिँ यहाँ कर्ली ब्र्याकेट मिस्टेक छ अरू केही छैन यहाँ सब कर्ली ब्र्याकेट मिस्टेक छ यहाँ कर्ली ब्र्याकेट छैन यहाँ कर्ली इन्स्टा छ तिम्रो छ तर के भयो मेरो इन्स्टा छ इन्स्टा ल दिन्छु यार इन्स्टा छ मसँग इन्स्टामा कनेक्ट लकिन हाल्नु लकिन फर I equals to 0 I is less than 23 I is less than 23 यसमा पनि I think this one let me do this and maybe this is the answer please oh let me okay यहाँ wrong भयो नि त it's ID okay ID let me just type अलिकति गिटार बजाउँछु है म चाहिँ अलिकति गिटार बजाउने मान्छे हो सो यार अलिकति लाइक सेयर हान्दै है मेरो गानाहरू गाएको आएको बजाएकोमा यहाँ कति त्यो 23 वटा हुनुपर्ने डट ड्यास होइन दे सुड बी 23 ड्यास यार च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब हान्दै यार मेरो च्यानलमा सब्सक्राइब हान्दै राख न यार सब्सक्राइब हालिदियो भने कति भलो हुन्छ या तिम्रो भोलि दिन राम्रो हुन्छ तिम्रो भोलि टुमारो योर डे विल बी भेरी गुड ओ यहाँ आई कस जिरो हामी लेख्छौँ नि त मेन मेबी यो पनि हुनसक्छ प्लिज ओ लेट मी ओ फक के हुन्छ यार यो के हो यो प्लस एकचोटि आउँछ होइन अगाडि त्यसपछि 23वटा ड्यास चाहिएको छ इट सुड बी 23 ड्यास so what is wrong with this code 23 dash print f should be 23 times and there should be plus hey station oh wait maybe this should be only 23 then there should be 24 plus अब चाहिँ हो त no there should be no के प्लस पनि आयो नि त फेरि भित्र कसरी प्लस भित्र आयो पक्का भयो त फेरि this is so sick यार Please, oh, let me. माथिको राइट भयो यो पनि राइट भएछ हैन तलको चाहिँ रङ भएछ तलको चाहिँ यहाँ यो चाहिँ रङ भएछ 23 यहाँ पनि यो सजिलो सक्यो यो पनि Yeah, this is also over. This is also easy. 100%. Let's go. 100%. Let's go. 100% right. Let's go. What am I? Oh. This is also done. Comment on a dedicated one line. Comment on dedicated one line. Comment on one line budget, online doubles, double front slash something like that. Just take double front slash, washer. Comment at the end of an instruction. Okay, double slash, double dash, double dash, double dash. Okay, I'll comment Tanya. Comment over multiple lines. Please. कति भयो 2 घण्टा भयो होला यो लास्ट सक्कम भने कति छ हो यो पार्ट प्रोग्रेस हेर्छु यार म let me just see my progress here how much did I progress in this chapter. Did I finish this one? 29% of the course, man. Shit. I just finished only 29% of the course, yeah. Okay, I'll finish this one lesson and I will end the stream because it's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and I have not moved from my chair. Oh no, 2 घण्टा भएन र कति within what is the time now? Let me just check how long the stream is going on. Okay. It's 1:48, so I have 20 minutes. Okay. I have 20 minutes, so I will just do my bro chess pani kheldo rahechau. Bro chess, how do you know I play chess, bro? How, bro? Hacker ho kya bhai? Are you a hacker, bro? You can't do this, man. I gave you Insta ID. You are not hacking things, bro. Not fair, man. Must केही छैन यार. I'm very. Oh, what is this? Okay, hashtag dash star हाल्यो भने हुन्छ सर. Dash star. कसरी थाहा भयो यार? भन न यार. चेसको चेस पनि खेल्दैछ भने. ब्रो मैले के देखाएँ अहिले? के चाहिँ देखाएकै छुइनँ. युट्युब भिडियोज हो क्या मैसँग. मैले त युट्युब भिडियो राखेको नि. ए लाइभ स्ट्रिममा गएर लाइभ स्ट्रिम मैले प्राइभेट हालेको थिएँ यार सबै. कसरी देखियो चेसहरू सब मेरो प्राइभेट हालेको थिएँ. फलोड समेरेना एन्ड म्याग्नस ब्रो. ए ब्रो यस्तो यार छि है. स्टकिङ हान्नु थाल्यो यार केटाले. त के भएको यार? समेरेना हो यार. खेल्छु यार चेस. तिमी खेल्छ क्या? चेस त अब आजकल त अल्छी लाग्छ यार चेस खेल्न. कम्पिटिसन छैन क्या आजकल. मेरोतिर हुन्छ नि टुर्नामेन्टहरू केही हुँदैन छ कि. त्यस्तो हावा छ हौ मेरो chess.com भने मेरो छैन क्या फाइडको रेटिङ छैन. यो अफिसियल छैन कि. तर काठमाडौँमा नभएर हो कि यो म लिन्थेँ होला सायद. अफ हाने क्या मैले. मेरो chess.com चाहिँ छ आई थिङ्क. म पिकमा भन्छु ल. पिकमा म 1600 पुगेको छु क्या. लाइक 3+0 र 10+0मै 1600. अरू त्यो त्यसपछि पछि छोडिदिएँ यार. स्कुलमा खेल्दै कि स्कुलमा मजा आउँथ्यो साथीहरूसँग. कम्पिटिसन हुन्थ्यो. अहिले त छैन यार. अल्छी लाग्दो. किन खेलेँ जस्तो लाग्छ. म त खेल्दिनँ पनि यार दिनमा. आजकल त छोडिदिएँ मैले खेल्न मजाले. कहिले काहीँ मात्रै टाइम पासको लागि खेल्छु. तर यार त्यो मजा नै गयो यार. कमेन्ट्स गर्न किन सिकाउँदैछ यार अघिदेखि मलाई. कमेन्ट गर्न किन छ यार. एडिङ कमेन्ट टु एक्जिस्टिङ कोड. तिम्रो त्यो पनि खेल्छौ भने कति रेटिङ छ तिम्रो भन्दा यार. लस्छ नै होइन. रेटिङ त भन्दा हुन्छ यार. रेटिङ preview vacancy program censorship Australia job business that program return principles comply with certain rules. The truth is that rules are programs cannot use for loops with more than 10 repetition. Programs are not allowed to say goodbye. In order to allow the developer to correct the code, you should not delete any of it. Instead, deactivate the offensive code by commenting it out. If the illegal block of code consists of more than 3 lines, you need to deactivate it using multiple line comment. Otherwise, use single line commenting. If you find illegal for loop, you should comment out the entire loop into the body of the loop. Bro, what is this here? This is 900 saw मेरो त. Bro, 900 is also good man. खेल्दैन होला नि तिमी. म त पुरा पागलै भएको थिएँ नि चेसले. मैले त रियल्ली पागल त होइन. तर लाइक आई युज टु प्ले लाइक अल डे यार. कहिले काहीँ त चेस ब्रो. किनकि म एउटा थियो क्या क्लास. एउटा के नाम हुन्छ नि स्कुलमा थियो क्या. स्कुल होइन कलेजमा भनौँ न. 11-12मा लाइक 11मा चाहिँ म हारेँ क्या. लास्टमा फाइनलमा हारेँ क्या. अनि अब रिस उठिरहेको थियो क्या फाइनलमा कसरी हारेँ. एन्ड सेट कति हुन्छ नि अब रिडेम्सन आर्क गर्नु परेको. अनि जित्दै अब जितेपछि त अब कि बाले भएन. अब खेल्ने अल्छी लाग्यो. अब कोसँग कम्पिटिसन गर्नु होइन र. अब यार कहानी भन्नु थाल्यो यार. म त फेरि के गर्छ. प्रोग्राम क्यानट युज फर लुप विथ मोर देन 10 रिपिटेसन. मोर देन 10. यो सक्यो. यसलाई गर्ने हटाउने. यसलाई स्टार गरेर आई गेस. यसलाई यो गरिदिनु. मोर देन फर लुप. ओके सो यो चाहिँ ब्यान भयो. यो वर्डै ब्यान भयो. 200वटा युज भएको. त्यो चाहिँ गुड बाई पनि नयुज गर्ने अरे. गुड बाईलाई चाहिँ यस्तो गर्नुपर्छ. प्लिज यो काम कहाँ लाग्छ अरे. कमेन्टिङ होला त झ्याउै लाग्दो. प्रोग्राम्स क्यानट युज फर लुप विथ मोर देन 10 रिपिटेसन. 10 त छैन अरू. यो दिस इज ओन्ली 10. सो दिस इज 200. अदर दिस नथिङ 10. Programs are not allowed to say goodbye, so goodbye. So here's only goodbye. I did that. Okay, now this is over. Now, oh bro, game खेल्छु कि C2K gaming यार नामै गेमिङ छ यार गेम के खेल्छु भन्दैछ यार अघिदेखि म What do you play games यार C2K gaming Do you play any games man In order to allow the developer to correct the code you should not delete any of it instead deactivate the principal account not But I think I did my job right This should be right yeah this should be come on This should be right. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, first time. At first try we got the answer. Yeah. Let's go. No question of the activity. It was easy and it was very easy. Structure a simple C program. कति भयो 2 घण्टामा जान्छु यार 2 hours and I'll go भनेको Is it not even 2 hours? I think there is 10 minutes left. There is a 10 minute. I think 6 minutes left. Okay. Let me. This is the last. I think this will be the last. DC games र FF खेल्छु. FF त म पनि खेल्छु bro. FF साथीले गर्दा खेल्छु तर म इन्डियन सर्भरमा छु यार म अड्के यार मेरो आइडी नै अड्को क्या DC गेम्स भन्ने के हो थाहा छैन मलाई तर FF चाहिँ यार मेरो आइडी अड्को क्या FF को अनि पहिला नि खेल्थेँ होइन अनि त्यो जब त्यो ब्यानहरू के भयो नि त्यति बेला म खेल्दिनँ नि त क्या कति 2-3 वर्ष खेलिदिन्थेँ अनि आइडी चाहिँ इन्डियामै अड्क्यो क्या इन्डियन आइडी बनाइदियो इन्डियन सर्भरमै अब VPN लगाएर खेल्नुपर्छ साथी र म खेल्छु VPN लगाएर Structure a simple C program structure this is this okay I know so what is the activity put lines in the correct order okay this is the last this will be the last assignment म गएको अनि I will be gone now maybe tomorrow maybe not tomorrow I don't know mood चल्यो भने आउँछु मेरो यो च्यानल साँच्चै के भन्दाखेरि फ्री फायरको थियो क्या At first this channel was all about Free Fire then I deleted everything now because I don't play Free Fire now it's all about this now what to do going to do something okay this is please arrange the following segment correct so that it prints I love programming then use the comment to level the pieces of the program okay so this is the like pieces of things I have to like see yaar ye to sajilo cha so that's what I'm saying I have to copy this I have to paste here and the second will be I have to void this copy paste the first I have to write something like I'll just paste this copy paste copy paste print I wait now what is the print I love programming 18 so first I need I should be go here copy I let's go copy I print I and this will be 3 times right copy this copy programming this okay now I should do after this main printf programming I love programming okay copy paste I love programming and I think return 0 now this is copy and wait what so isko suna cha isko lagi guys like and subscribe please this is here this one will be here and let me know preprocessor drive directive variable. So you want to go executable statement, main function, return statement. Return statement will be here maybe. Return statement. Maybe let me just do variable declaration will be copy variable declaration. This is the variable declaration. Variable declaration maybe executable statement will be copy main function. Wait, what is wait let me just I think I can cheat that like one I don't know what executable one. What is this executable statement maybe okay. So the structure of a simple C program. Preprocessor directive variable directive. This preprocessor preprocessor directive. Copy and put it in preprocessor directive. Variable declaration, executable statement. Executable statement. Copy. Executable statement भनेको चाहिँ यो होला क्या I think. What I'm thinking is right or wrong. तर यसपछि then what would be like executable statement, return function, main function भनेको के त्यसमा. Okay, let me see. Main function is int main void is main function. Int main function. Copy. Main function is this. Int main void is main function. Oh shit. Yeah. Variable declaration and executable statement भनेको चाहिँ. Yep. So this is the executable statement. +2 मा C ल्याङ्ग्वेज छ. +2 मा थियो मेरोमा कम्प्युटर बोर्ड लिएको थिएँ क्या मैले. यस थियो यार मेरोमा C ल्याङ्ग्वेज थियो अनि मलाई आउँछ क्या यो बेसिक लाइक एक्जामै हुन्थ्यो हाम्रो यो थिङ. यसको एक्जाममा आएको थियो यार क्वेसन 8 मार्क्सकै आएको थियो लास्टमा. बोरा त्यो त अब गाह्रो पढ्नै पर्छ हामीले. अब के गर्ने यार पढ्नु पऱ्यो अब. अनि यो कुनै मलाई आउँछ क्या यो धेरै रिभाइजै गरेको भन्दा हुन्छ. नट कि म पढेको पनि नहुन चाहिँ इट्स लाइक के आउँछ भनेर मैले हेर्दैछु रिभाइज हालेको. कम्प्युटर एक्जिक्युटिभ स्टेटमेन्ट नै ओके. आजलाई सकिन्छ होला कि यसको यार सबमिट हाल्नु यार. अब चाहिँ राइटै हुनु पऱ्यो. Bro, let's go यार. पास भयो यार म. पास भयो. DC भनेको के हो यार तिमीले भनेन यार. DC गेम्स भनेर लेखिरहेको छौ. DC गेम्स भनेको के हो यार. डिस्कर्ड गेम भनेको कि DC भनेको के हो यार. DC भनेको त्यो मार्बल DC वाला कुरा त होइन नि. सक्यो क्या युनिट 1 सक्यो ब्रो. भर्खर सकिँदैछ यार. बहुत टाइम लाग्छ क्या. हो कसरी सक्यो मैले. युज द फर्मेट स्पेस पर्सेन्टेज प्रिन्ट टाइम स्टेजर. ओ भाइ सेट भाइ यो पढ्नु पर्नेछ अब. यो चाहिँ भोलि पढ्यो होला हो गाइस. लेट्स लर्न टुमोरो यार दिस. युज द फर्मेट स्पेसिफायर डी इन प्रिन्ट टाइम स्टेटमेन्ट टु प्रिन्ट एफ इन्टिजर्स. यो आउँछ आई थिङ्क बट यसमा प्लस माइनस कन्सेप्ट आयो नि. यो सी प्रोग्रामिङ ओपर ज्याउँछ. Explain the concept of variable listing is written declaring no for update trigger sign के हो loop लगाउनु के हो के भन्छ 2 घन्टा भयो होला है अब started 2 hours ago भोलि 3 घन्टा गर्छु यार हैन ब्राउजर गेम मल्टिप्लेयर साथीहरुसँग डिसी युज गर्दै ओके एमोंग अस पनि खेल्यो यार एमोंग अस मजा आउँछ यार मजा खेल्दै एमोंग अस बच्चाहरुसँग या ओ नो हैन अब हैन बच्चा नो नो व्हाट इज दिस हावा कुरा भने मैले अब इस एफबीआई ले मलाई पकड्ला नि आई मिन कि एमोंग अस राम्रो छ साइड मेनको भिडियो थियो क्या एमोंग अस को ऊपर मजा आउँछ एमोंग अस खेल्न र सब्स्क्राइबर त बढेछ यार के हो यस्तो हावामा लाइभ स्ट्रिम गर्छु सब्स्क्राइबर बढ्छ थम्बनेल पनि छैन यार यार भोलि गर्नु पर्यो यार यो आउटरो म्युजिक हालिदिउँ आउटरो म्युजिक आउटरो म्युजिक त के हो यार अब जानु पर्ला यार अब guys who is watching us please like subscribe because I'm going to go now भोलि चाहिँ 2:30 या 2:30 सम्म गर्छु 2 घन्टा आधी ढाडै दुख्यो यार ढाड मेरो यार रोग लाग्छ यार मेरो ढाडको अच्छी भन्छ ढाडको रोग लाग्ने ओभर सम्भावना छ यार मेरो कुर्सीमा बसेर ल गाइस थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ एन्ड आई थिङ्क एउटा आउटरो म्युजिक हान्दै नि आउटरो म्युजिक छ त एउटा त्यो के छ एउटा मिमी छ नि आउटरो म्युजिक एभर मिमी आउटरो म्युजिक नो कॉपीराइट यार I will live stream also tomorrow so please come and join अरे क्या let's go I will stream tomorrow again at maybe 2 I don't know 2 and I hope you will be there let's go Thanks for watching guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.